The place here is so serene and so lush and green. So guys, now let's check out the room. 317. So as soon as you get in, there's the bathroom on this side. Really nice. It's small but not too small. It's just perfect for a couple or even a family. And right opposite is the closet. In the closet we have our safe, and you can get your iron and your ironing board, and they have extra racks for you to hang clothing. So, and right here we have our little coffee and tea section. Under here there's a fridge. You get 2 bottles of water, but you have to buy whatever you want, and the supermarket is like 5 minutes away, so it's easy to just pick up what you want and stock it in your refrigerator. Here we have a nice long mirror for when you get dressed. And the bedroom is right here. A king size bed, big enough to fit, I would say, a family of 3. You get your lounger. And then we have a big television for entertainment. If you don't want to go anywhere, you just want to kick back and relax. Here we have the desk. You can order room service, and you can also do work. Let's go outside. A nice patio, and right there is the pool. So the pool is right there. All we have to do is just walk to the pool, and then there are the restaurants right around, and the beach is right past the pool, and then there's a waterfall feature. So I'm gonna walk and I'll show you guys all the different parts of the hotel and how lovely and magnificent it looks. So let's go check out the hotel. So our room is right there, one out of those. This is the pool. It's a really big pool with 2 waterfall features. I want to head down to the beach and then we'll come back to the pool. So you see, when we come, we'll get the whole pool to ourselves. Okay, let's go check out the beach. Okay, so let's see what restaurant is this. I like these rattan high tables. So they're closed right now. You guys see the waterfall in the distance? Pretty, right? So this is just one of their restaurants here. Look at this bougainvillea. And then you can have dinner, breakfast, and look at the ocean. So we just walked around the entire pool. I'm gonna find the access to get to the beach now. The pool is really huge, and there's the bar for the pool. So one side is a swim up bar and one side isn't, so that's cool. You can play table tennis. I see a step leading up. So this is Oasis Bar and Grill. Oasis Pavilion, Reception, Lobby and Tradewinds Resort is the other way. That's what we just passed. So this is Grenada's beach. So that's the beach. And then this is the resort.